In a surprising turn of events, the latest SteamVR Beta has reintroduced support for Windows VR headsets on Windows 11, thanks to a third-party driver known as Oasis. This development comes after Microsoft decided to discontinue support for Windows Mixed Reality (WMR) headsets in the most recent updates of Windows 11, leaving many users in a lurch. For quite some time, Valve has been dedicated to ensuring that a wide array of VR headsets can be utilized on its SteamVR platform. This commitment has included support for various Windows VR headsets produced by well-known manufacturers such as Acer, Asus, Dell, Lenovo, HP, and Samsung. However, the situation took a turn when Microsoft announced that it would no longer support WMR headsets in the latest iterations of Windows 11. This decision rendered these headsets not only incompatible with SteamVR, but also with the operating system itself, effectively making them unusable for those who had upgraded to Windows 11 version 24H2 and later. Fortunately, the introduction of the Oasis driver for Windows Mixed Reality has changed the game. This driver restores compatibility for WMR headsets on SteamVR, without the need for the Mixed Reality Portal application, which is no longer available in the latest Windows updates. However, it's important to note that the Oasis driver currently only supports NVIDIA graphics cards, as there has been insufficient developer support for AMD GPUs. Valve is not stopping there. They are taking additional steps to ensure that WMR headsets function optimally on SteamVR. In the most recent SteamVR Beta version 2.13.1, the software automatically installs the Oasis driver for users with WMR headsets who are running a version of Windows 11 that lacks support for Microsoft's official driver. If you're interested in experiencing this update firsthand, you can find detailed instructions on how to install the SteamVR Beta. This initiative is just one of many consumer-friendly actions Valve has taken to enhance compatibility between SteamVR and third-party headsets. For instance, they made their flagship VR title, Half-Life Alyx, accessible to all headsets that support SteamVR, and even launched a Steam Link app for the Quest, allowing for wireless SteamVR gameplay. But here's where it gets controversial. Some might argue that Microsoft's withdrawal of support for WMR headsets was a strategic move to push users towards their own hardware solutions. What do you think? Is Valve's response a commendable effort to support users? Or does it highlight a larger issue with how tech companies manage compatibility? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.